Hi guys, so this is Codec Maker and today I'm going to show you kung paano mag-compile ng pounds sa mobile. So I'm using PC right now, but same lang sa mobile to. If you're using mobile, you can use quick edit. That quick edit, quick edit APK. Yeah, ito yung tsura ng quick edit. Yeah, ito. Mostly ito yung ginagamit ng mga mobile dev. Yeah. So today I'm going to show you kung paano ko i-compile tong game mode uh, using mobile compiler. So first yung gagawin natin ay i-compress lang natin tong dito i-compress lang natin, ilagay natin game mode .zip. Ayan, game mode.zip. Ay, hindi pala. Hindi game mode. Sorry. My bad. It's a compiler.zip. And then, I'm going to compress it. Then, yung gagawin ko is, pupunta lang ako dito. And, I'm going to upload it dito. Then, compiler.zip. Pag na-upload dito natin, wait lang natin, nag-upload So, pag na-upload natin dito, lalabas dito, you have uploaded a compiler. So, it means okay na yan. So, yung gagawin ko next is, paano ba natin i-compile yung game mode natin. So, by the way, on this tab, if yung game mode mo is single lang, hindi modular, dito ka mag-compile. Pag modular, dito ka mag-compile pag modular yung game mode mo. So, on my game mode, modular ito. And also hindi lang pala game mode yung pwede i-compile dito, guys. Pwede dito i-compile yung filter script kung wala kang basta any pound na related sa SAMP. So, yung gagawin mo dito sa modular na game mode, ganito lang. I-add to for example, if you are using the archiver, i-archive mo lang into zip. And the name is game mode.zip. Then, yan, game mode.zip. Then, I will going to upload it here sa modular game mode. So, after that, i-upload. Pinutin ko lang yung upload game mode. Ayun, upload na. I-load lang natin yan. Magtatanong yan kung ano yung main game mode file mo. So, yung sa akin, yung main game mode ko is itong main.pound. So, kunin ko lang yung pangalan, main. Ayan main. Yan. So, pagkatapos main, pindot mo lang yung compile game mode. Wait mo dito yung output. Kung ano yung lalabas. If may error yung game mode mo o wala. Ay, nagko-compile na. Compile. Wait lang natin yung output. Medyo matagal yung output niyan kasi pero di naman masyadong matagal. Ayan, nag-compiling siya. Sabi dito si user yeah, it's compiled already. So yung gagawin mo ito, na-download na, ito siya. 55 MB yung file. So let's compare it dito sa original. Tignan mo naman, parang nag-compile ka lang sa PC, di ba? So yun lang. So yun lang yung about this system, guys. And also may compatibility to about sa mga old game mode. So I will going to make update later on about about sa compatibility, and I will go to make sure na makakompile kayo in old version na pound, kasi dapat yung pound mo is new version. So that's all about this video lang, guys, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Just kidding. Wala pala akong YouTube. So don't forget to support na lang yung site if gusto nyo mapatagal yung website, kasi ang mahal ng hosting. So yun lang, bye bye.